Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I'm Crypto Lord. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you have to do your crypto arbitrage, how you have to do your crypto trading. That's future trading. Yeah, so people don't understand basic things about doing crypto trading, and they don't know the difference between futures and spots. So if you are into spot trading, that means you are into investment. But if you are into future trading, that means you are into day trading. That one, every day you be earning money, cash out, go in, cash out every day. So that's how we do it. Yeah. So so today I just took a trade, and I just want us to do some small analysis, and after that I will take you through deep. But if you want further details, or if you want to learn more, that one, contact me, I will put you through. So this one is future trading. So you can see that right now take I've taken a trade here on Solana. I'm going short, and my entry was 161.680, and the market price was 16.671, and my stop loss was 158, and my stop loss is 163, and my take profit is 158. And I also took a trade on USDT. I go long that one. I'm at red, but I'll tell much about this thing. Yeah. So that one, the entry I took was 3.31850, and the market price was 3.31083, and my take profit was 3.5, and my stop loss was 3.2. So this is how you do your trade. If you want to do your futures, you go to your futures here, then you go to the available and add the fund that you want to use to trade. One thing people don't understand is that if here you set it to cross, it means that when you hit stop loss, it will still go into your your remaining balance. So always as a beginner, you have to put it at isolated. And if you are a beginner, your you shouldn't your leverage shouldn't pass 10. Is that 10 if you're a beginner? Because if you're trading with small amounts, your leverage shouldn't pass 10 times. Yeah. So the reason why I took this trade, let me tell you. So the Solana chart, Solana so the Solana, let's go deep in it. Okay, so you see, let me go here and let's go to Solana here. So you can see here, let me rotate it here. Let me, so that you will sit at a big screen here. Let me rotate it here. So you can see the reason why Solana I went short, and I know you say why do you go short? So let's take 15 minutes for instance. You see, the 15 minutes for instance, I realized that when it's rise to here, it's false. Certain, yeah. So and this, let me mark it here so that you see it. Yeah. Okay. Let me use this one. Yeah. So when it go to this point, it's went to short. Okay. And I can see that in the same chart, that is what repeating over here. So when it also went here, and I know that probably it also go down to this range, you see. So that is why I took shots. Yeah. So you have to know how you analyze your chart. And this one, like everyone have his or own way of doing the candle analysis and stuff. Yeah, so you can analyze your chart differently from my own, and my own too will be simple, but it will be dope. That's how it is. Yeah. So I saw that the charts here are the same. When it was here, it came short, and when it was here, it came short and go to long. The same thing applies to here. So it comes short. That is why I took the short trade. You see, so you have to know when or how to read the chart. That one, if you join my mentorship, I will show you. That is why I went short. So right now, this one is gaining, and this one is I'm losing. And the reason why this one to the seal I went long is that, let me show you the seal. And after that, I'll tell you one thing. Yeah, I'll tell you one thing, one secret thing. Yeah. This one I went long and it's going short. But that doesn't mean that you have to sign out. So the time frame for 15 minutes, 4 hours is in the short. But as soon as it's not hitting stop loss, I'm in the trade. You see, one thing about new traders is emotions. They trade with emotions. So when they see that they are losing, they will be quick to withdraw their money, and that's where people make losses. Don't be quick to withdraw your money when you're trading futures. When you say that, okay, the trade that you're taking, you have the vim in it, just let the money be in it. So as soon as it's not hitting your stop loss, you are good to go. And as a beginner, this is what I would advise you. You can see that my trade that I took, my take profit is 158 and my stop loss 163. It's not way too higher than my entry price. Some people will enter 161 and the stop loss will be around, for short, the stop loss will be around 168, 169. You end up losing all your money. So as a beginner, you are learning something, so you have to set your stop loss close to your market entry, so that you will not be losing more when you hit stop loss. You see that thing? Yeah. Always your stop loss have to be close to your market entry, so that you will not be losing more. So if you are a beginner, first of all, your leverage have to not be more than 10 times, at least 5 to 10. Yeah. And your stop loss have to be close to your entry price, and your take profits have to also be a little bit higher than the entry price, so that it will be like this. Like, you will not be losing much, you will not be any much, because you are trying to learn more. You see that thing? Yeah, that's how it is. So after a trade and you think that you are making profit and you want people to see, you just have to click here. If you click here, you can save this thing to show people that you are earning profit. That one is part of it. Yeah. So when you want to close trade, you just have to click close trade here, and you close trade. If you want to adjust the trading, you can trailing stop. You can do it. Stop loss, can adjust everything. Yeah. So this is how you do your future trading. You see that thing? So I've done a lot of videos about future trading and stuff. But if you want to learn more too, I have my link in the bio, the link in the description. You chat me, I will show you how to do it. You can see that this one is a real account. This one is a real account. Yeah, it's a real account, not a demo account. It's a real account. Yeah, and I'm in the trade right now. Yeah. So right now it's 2.70% profit. So you just have to leave it. Don't trade with emotions. Just have confidence. Like, yeah. And if you join my mentorship tool, I'll give you signals. That signals tool comes with the price. I'll give you signals to trade on and stuff. Yeah. So that's how it is. So thank you for watching me, and I will be doing future trading masterclass this month, so the date will be out very soon. Yeah, but if you want to join my mentorship and you want to learn much about future trading too, I have my link in the description. Join it and let's cash out together. Yeah, just be confident you make money. It's that thing. And don't trade more than, just master 5 pairs like Bitcoin, Solana. See me, I've mastered 5 pairs that I trade every day. I set the chart and I trade every day. So don't master more than 5 pairs, because like it's waste of time, waste of energy, and waste of money. Yeah. So if you join it, I will show you how you can master all your pairs and stuff. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm out. Right now, I mean 1.05. Yeah, we are going. We are going. Bye bye.